Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the font on your Cardco website. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the font on your Cardco website. Maybe you don't like the default font that's given here. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into your Cardco website, click on the text which you want to go ahead and change the font for, and then there's going to be this option here that says appearance. So it looks like the paintbrush icon. And then from here, you can select the different fonts that they have. So they have a ton of different fonts that you can go ahead and use, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the font of your Cardco website. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.